The name of the restaurant?
Mexican restaurant.
Do you like that? No.
Oh no.
Hi guys, so lunchtime. Binigyan kami namin sa Mexican restaurant. Tapos binigyan kami ng complimentary nut chips with kasama siya 3 kinds of soup. No, sauce. Salsa.
2 types of salsa and beans.
2 types of salsa and beans. This one is spicy. I don't like. Fiancé likes it. This one is
Just a mild.
just the mild. But this one is my favorite. Tastes like tomato sauce. And then this one, wala siyang munggo. Alam mo yung munggo na ginisa tapos gipalapot. Munggo. You wanna try?
I already tried it.
You try this? Which one do you like? This one?
I don't know.
Here. Ayaw ng anak ko yung Gusto na yung mild, yung nilaw. So, nasa Mexican restaurant kami.
So this is what the fried beans are made from. These kind of beans.
Okay. It tastes like mongo. You search mongo.
And they're like black beans.
Yeah. Mongo is green beans. So, complimentary nila. What's this, babe?
Tortilla chips.
Tortilla chips. And then what's this? And then fiancé got this drink. It's like milk.
Horchata.
Horchata.
It's horchata.
With an H. Horchata.
Horchata.
Horchata. Yep.
Horchata.
No.
Horchata.
No.
Hor.
With an H. Horchata.
Horchata.
Yes.
So it's horchata. Parang siyang milk.
Horchata. Horchata.
Parang siyang milk na merong gamot. Pero masarap. So, yung food ng Mexican, para siyang Spanish/Filipino food. I ordered tilapia. My favorite. I ordered tilapia and then Jerry ordered a burrito. We tried to introduce him for a new food here in the US. And fiancé got, what did you get? What did you get?
I got
Oh, they forgot again. Wala masyadong tao dito guys, pero grabe. Bongga yung restaurant. Bongga yung restaurant nila. Tapos dito guys, yung waiter nila, cashier din. So, kunwari mag-take order yung waiter nila, tapos may mag-bill out. Yung mag-bill out, pupunta dun sa cashier, tapos mag-aantay kung sino ang server na pwedeng mag-check out nila. So, feeling ko, diri kung kuwanin bitaw, karang bura ka bitaw ganang o mga scammer na mga diners. No, not to brag out ha, pero kasi sa Pilipinas, every restaurant na ay security. Diri feeling ko naiuban siguro mga tapos mugawas ra og kabantay ng mga server, mugawas ra na bayan kay way nag-abang hadto sa gate. Do security camera sa daghan man diri pero alam mo yun, yung parang kuan ka na wala kay mapaingnan tapos mukaon ka ana tapos mugawas ka na di na makabayad pwede, pero that's not good, diba? It's not good kasi may security camera diri ang ati-trace ka pa rin. So well, yun lang sinabi ko. Feeling ko ang sarap dito magtrabaho. So far na 4 days na diri sa Amerika, daghan kong nakita nga Pinoy, na ako'y nakita na Pinoy dito sa Walmart nagtrabaho. Ako ang sudyahan to taga yung parang hindi siya cashier, kana bitaw na ay maghaplig sa mga sarina ang nana, parang bagger something like that. Tapos diri sa restaurant diri ako nakita ang Pinoy po, pero di ko sure og Pinoy siya kay ako ba siyang sulti mapapandokong dari ano kay ang Mexican mo gud guys murag po mga Pinoy mas ano so ganun ngit-ngit sa gawas guys tapos ito pala yung restaurant nila ayan yung ano ng restaurant nila mura bitog antique If you know what?
What?
This restaurant looks like Manor.
It's
Like
that.
the structure. It's like Manor.
Manoy.
Yeah.
Pizza?
And also that's the reason why a lot of our guests thinks that the owner of the Manor is Mexican or Spanish. Well, they built it during Spaniards. During Spanish. So, mag-wait na sa food. Did you say how long does it take? No?
No. How long it takes?
So that means it's quick.
Yeah, it really depends.
Luit. Gutom na ka? Gutom na?
You're still recording.
Hmm?
No, you're still recording.
Ano yun?
Karat ka na.
Hmm?
Gusto mo. Karat ka na.
Want some more?
Kudugay pa man tali ko ng smag. Nahuman namang dugay pa man tali ko mahuman. Yung tilapia. Magama na lang kung line video o tron daw ng tilapia. O di kaya picture ka na mas malubat ng cellphone. Si fiancé dili anad na mag-video ko. Kaya lagi niya ako sinisita. Very cautious si fiancé. Well, ang inaan lang naman niya yung kaligtasan ko, di ba? So, hopefully the food will arrive soon.
Ano?